one time and same pedigree as Bajaj Finance. Just look at how the stock has brutally corrected. Mitesh, your 910 call?
Anuj, I will go with a sell on Aurobindo Pharma with a stop at 541 and a target of 515.
Okay, well, a couple of more stocks do deserve mention, actually, apart from McLeod Russell, that's up 20% right now. Zomato is coming back, up about 1.5% over there, and banks are definitely in focus yet again. In the broader market, South Indian Bank, Union Bank are all moving up with some strength. In fact, Abhishek is here with us to give us a note that has come through on banks, a couple of brokerages actually. Abhishek, over to you.
Well, the CLSA conference is going on or is been over, and banks were present over there. So they have written on SBI, wherein they have raised the target price to 680 per share from earlier target price of 660 per share. Management over there has indicated that loan growth at the system level is coming back, and they are seeing capex-based demand also coming back to them. So SBI is finally, expecting net interest margin to also expand from current levels by about 20-25 basis point and on a gross basis, and about 15 basis point on a net basis. They have not taken exposure, to any large Indian corporate in the overseas market, and they have no urgency in terms of capital raising. So for Axis Bank, CLSA has increased the target price to 1,050 from the earlier target price of 975 per share. They say that there is strong risk reward given the fact that valuations are undemanding, and management has guided for a strong sector outlook in terms of growth and margins also improving for them. So Axis expects, Citibank merger to be completed by Q4 FY23, and it expects robust overall growth, but is choosing net interest margin or better profitability over growth. So they, especially in the corporate segment. So bank expects an ROE of around 16% net interest margin to expand by 20 basis point to about 3.8% level, and they expect cost to asset ratio of around 2%. Back to you.
All right, thanks a lot, Abhishek, for that. The other large cap that we are